Hello there, Carnival glass collectors. We'd like to show you this Millersburg Classic Era Holly Sprig medium crimped bowl. It's about 6.5 to 7 inches, manufactured between 1909 and 1911. The base color is Amethyst. Exterior wide panel pattern. The Millersburg Holly Sprig has a squared off ring of hollies and berries with a little dot in the center of the bowl. The crimped edge on this always gives it a very different look. This one has exceptional blue and purple iridescence.